Mint Mobile is currently offering 40% off their 3-month 12 gig plan. Mint supports the features you love, including voice over LTE, Wi-Fi calling, and the personal hotspot. And with this promotion, I feel like it's a pretty good time to try them out and give them a shot if you've been wondering about them. So in this video, I'm going over how you can sign up for this promotion, activate your service, and even keep your existing phone number. What you're going to be purchasing is this SIM starter kit that actually comes preloaded with the service. Again, it's 3 months of 12 gigs of LTE data per month on Mint Mobile. To sign up, head on over to Mint Mobile's website, which I'll have linked in the video description, and I would really appreciate it if you considered using my affiliate link to sign up, as it really does help support the channel. Here you can see their 40% off promotion. I believe this is only going through till the end of December, so it would be beneficial to take advantage of this while you can. Click the green view offer button, and here you'll be brought to a page where you can purchase your SIM starter kit. This kit comes preloaded with the 3-month 12 gig plan. Proceed through the checkout process, and one thing I want to note is to make sure you uncheck auto renew. The reason you want to do this is after 3 months, the plan would auto renew for the 3-month 12 gig plan, which is actually $45 per month. Had to catch myself there. It's expensive, and you may find you don't actually need 12 gigs of data per month. I would recommend checking your data usage, seeing how much you actually need, and if you find out Mint Mobile works for you, then I would suggest signing up for one of their 12-month plans. These give you the best value for your dollar, where you're paying only $15 a month for 3 gigs, $20 a month for 8 gigs, or $25 a month for 12 gigs, which, as you can tell, is much more affordable than the regular $45 a month price point. Anyway, in a few days, you'll receive a package from Mint Mobile, which contains your Cleverness Kit and, to my surprise, a Share the Love Kit. The Cleverness Kit is what you use to activate your new plan, and the Share the Love Kit is basically Mint Mobile's $5 trial plan. You have one SIM card preloaded with 250 minutes, 250 texts, and 250 megabytes of LTE data to try out the Mint Mobile network. And the second SIM card is if the person you give the kit to enjoys the service, they can use the second SIM card to transfer their existing number or sign up for a full plan. The Cleverness Kit is what contains your SIM card and activation instructions. So go ahead, grab your SIM card, pop it into your phone, and let's head online to mintmobile.com/activate, and I'll show you how you can keep your existing number. Before we get started, if you are keeping your existing number, what you want to do is first keep your current service active. When you activate your Mint Mobile SIM card, Mint will automatically contact your current provider and cancel your plan. Second, get all of the information you need to successfully transfer your number. This is called porting your number, and to do this, you need your current account number, your account PIN, and your billing zip code. Some things to note: your account number is different from your phone number, and your account PIN is different from your voicemail PIN. And lastly, make sure your current phone is unlocked and paid off and compatible with the T-Mobile network, which is what Mint uses for coverage. With that out of the way, on Mint Mobile's website, you can enter the activation code located on the back of your SIM card and click Start or Resume your activation. Next, enter your zip code and click either transfer an existing number or get a new number. If you get a new number, it's pretty simple. Mint will assign you a brand new phone number. If you're like me and transferring a number, click that button and enter the information you just collected from your previous carrier, including your current phone number that you want to transfer, your account number, your account PIN, your billing zip code, and Mint has a field here for an optional alternate phone number. You don't need that. You can leave it blank. Mint will present you with their return policy. They do have a 7-day money-back guarantee. Once you've read that, you can click I agree to the terms and conditions and proceed with the activation. Mint will begin activating your plan in the background, and in the meantime, you can add your billing info. You can choose to use the same payment method that you used to order your SIM starter kit, or you can add a new payment method. In my case, I'm just keeping the same one. And again, Mint is trying to get you to enroll in auto recharge. Say no thanks to this, because you're going to be renewing your plan based on what works for your needs. Click continue and confirm the zip code associated with your credit card. And now create your account, enter your first name, last name, email, and create a new password. And once you're done, click submit information. And now your activation is in process and you're just waiting for your number to transfer from your previous carrier over to Mint Mobile. This can take anywhere from a couple minutes to a couple hours to even a couple days. I remember when I did this last year, it took my number about 48 hours to transfer. This time, I was able to get transferred and activated in just about 2 hours, which was pretty great. Mint will both email you when your number transfer is complete and shoot you a text on your device so you know you're good to go. At this point, your service is active. You can download the Mint Mobile application to sign in and manage your account on the go, and you're ready to enjoy the Mint Mobile network and hopefully a significantly lower bill on wireless service. I'm Stetson. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and visit my site bestphoneplans.net to easily compare plans, prices, and features.